Hi guys, welcome back to FTX RC. How's it going on out there in the real world? As stated on a previous video, we were building the FTX Outback mini crawler, and here it is. So Josh has gone out and put himself together the Unitrack version of the Outback mini crawler. Now, it's been quite surprisingly good, to be quite honest with you. The car itself is very well built. The chassis was metal, which is good. Everything went together nice and easily. The weighted wheels are a help. The suspension, although it is okay, is going to be replaced because it's doing the job, but we want to put some nice oil-filled shocks on this. We will do some modifications on this as the truck goes on. But as far as the first run of it, it's good. It's been good. So have a look at this little video that's just popping in. There's just a little bit of crawler video of it going up and down over the mini crawler course that we're building down at Medway RC Raceway in Kent. We are going to finish that off. All of us are working together with Rich down there to do our little bit to get it going. And then hopefully you, if you're in the area, come down and use the track. Right, anyway, watch the vid. So there's a little glimpse at the Outback Mini. Now this was the kit form, not the ready to run. The ready to runs are available. In fact, there was one with us there in the form of a little mad van type of one there. And that was doing well as well, but that had been customized. Now, as you can see from the video, it's got quite a decent amount of low end, which is nice because that's pretty much where you need it on a mini crawler, or on any crawler. But a mini crawler, it's excellent to have such a nice low end modulation from a basic kit. Okay, so the downside to that, if it is a downside, is it only has a single speed gearbox. There is a 2-speed gearbox available for this particular model, which we may upgrade to later on. At the moment, don't really see a need for it because it does nicely as it is. As stated previously before, we are going to replace the shocks because I don't know if you can see in there because it's quite small, but the shocks are quite lightweight. It's a lightweight car, very springy, boingy, which is going to cause a little bit of tipping. So we're going to put some oil-filled shocks with very sort of low viscosity oil in there to allow for rebound and stuff, so that it actually handles over the rocks better. It doesn't really need the tyres upgrading, but probably Josh will, knowing Josh, he'd probably go out and get the TRX 4 tyres, put it on there. So yeah, I mean, it's a nice little car. It's a very good little starter crawler for £109. You can't really go wrong there. If you're going to get into crawling indoors on a 1/18th scale, £109. My FMS is £189. £180 or £150 for a TRX 4M sort of thing, plus all the upgrades and things like that. It's going to start costing you serious crawler money. Now this is a good little start off point, so if you want to get a 1/18th ready to go out of the box, either buy the kit if you like to build them, or buy the ready to run. Don't mind this at all. FTX is a reputable brand, and if you're looking around, obviously now this time of year for Christmas, it's a good way to go if you want to get into crawling. Anyway, thanks for watching this. I hope you liked it. If you did, please press the like button, please press the subscribe button. Ask me any questions you want to ask me about the crawler. I do love to talk to you people. It's very lonely stuck inside this little video camera, you know. It is, especially this time of year. Anyway, good to see you all again. You, not so much you. No, not you. I can see what you're doing. But yes, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.